Hello YouTube, Simply Cece here and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell from the thumbnail, we are coming with another Sisterlock update. You guys, I've had my third retight, so I'm excited to jump into my report I got from my consultant. And I want to, shout a few of you guys out this video for your advice that you dropped in my last videos. Really, they helped me out a lot. So we're going to get into that. Before we jump into this video, if you are new and this is your first time here, hello, my name is Cece, and on my channel I like to focus on faith, fashion, fitness, and some beauty. And as you can see, I'm also on a sister-like journey. So if you're interested in any of those, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss any of my uploads, and join my family over here. I would love to have you, and it's so much fun getting to know you guys, and I thank you guys so much for your input. So if you have any advice, opinions, or anything and you just want to say hello, please use my comment section and let me know, you guys. I love getting comments from you guys, and I literally, since I'm still so small, I can respond back to every single comment. So it's really nice talking to you guys. So be sure to use the comment section, and yeah, come and check your girl out and let me know you're here, because I would love to get to know you guys. And I like meeting more people that are also on this journey with me, because it is a journey. And so without further ado, you guys, let's jump right into this Sisterlock update. Okay, you guys, so before I jump into the video about my report and how I am feeling about my Sisterlocks and everything, I first want to shout out a couple of subscribers and people who have commented and helped me out a ton. The first person, I'm gonna be sure to put everybody's name like up on the screen somewhere, because if you guys have channels, I know I'm small, but I still want to shout out anybody that's helping me out. So you guys can check them out as well if they have channels here on YouTube. I'm not sure if they do. Some of them do, some of them don't. But anyway, I want to thank you guys. So the first person I want to shout out, and I'm looking down because I wrote your names down because I did not want to forget who you were and the advice that you gave me. The first person is Brett Berry. And thank you, Miss Lady, told me this tip on when it's time to braid and band. All of you guys that are on a Sisterlock journey, you know what braiding and banding is and how much of a headache it can be, how time consuming it can be. But she gave me a great tip. She said to braid it down, pretty much as far as you could, and then twist, two-strand twist the ends, and then flip it over. Honey, made such a difference when I did my shampoo this time around. Thank you so much. It was so easy. It was so easy to take the braids out. I didn't have any slippage. I didn't detangle any of my locks on the end. You are the real MVP. Thank you so much for that advice. So I had to shout her out. The next person who gave me some advice was Brown My Fun. And again, I'm going to have her name up on the video somewhere, and she gave me the tip about castor oil. Guys, I've heard about castor oil for a while, and it was always heard that it can stimulate growth and it can help thicken hair. I never heard that it could clog your pores. And Miss Lady Brown My Fun told me that it can clog your pores as well. And as a hairstylist, I know for a fact that if you use certain products that clog your pores, they will stunt your growth versus help. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to use instead. I still use my castor oil, but I mixed it with a lot of water this time, so that I guess it wasn't as potent, because I want to be mindful of clogging my pores up, since y'all know I got struggle edges or whatever. And we're trying to help them booze out if we can. But thank you so much for that, because it helped me to just be a little bit more light-handed. The idea of even mixing with water just, helped me out a ton. And she also gave me a concoction on oils to use. I don't remember all of that, but I will be sure to put that up here, and I will be checking that out too. So thank you, ma'am, so much, because I did not know. I am learning a lot on this journey. And the last two babes that helped me out is Space Case and Firewater 365. And you ladies told me to keep my hands out my hair. And I know y'all are telling the truth. I told y'all that even when I comment back to you guys. When I went for my last one, my loctician told me that stop touching your hair. Leave it alone. And it is so hard. Y'all know I like to touch it, but I'm doing really good. Now that is done, thank you, ladies. Everybody, shout them out in the comment sections or something. Tell them that was dope. I appreciate you guys so much. Y'all really, really helped me out a lot, and I love it. So keep all of that coming, you guys. I'm so open for it. So now on to the update. So I had a great report this time, you guys. I had no slippage. I did not have any locks come unraveled like I did the last time. This time around, I can say I wore a wig 3 times. So in about 3 weeks, I applied a wig 3 times. I didn't wear wigs 3 weeks straight. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you will see some of my posts with the wigs. And if you watch my try on haul, my misguided haul, I'm also wearing a wig. And that is why I was trying to keep my hands out of my hair, and it did make a difference. I did not think I was going to be a person who would want to cover my locks up with wigs, but I guess with that one, since it's versatile, like even though I wore it 3 times, and the third time I didn't even post any pictures on it. But the 2 times that I wore it, as you can see, I had different styles. So that really helps keep it like fresh, but I still get tired of it. I can wear the wig for about 2, maybe 3 days, and then I have to take it off, and I just need my hair back out. But I miss my locks, so y'all gonna be seeing them for a while. So that was good, and I think that it helped. I didn't put any water in it. Last time, before my Retight, I had shampooed my hair I think twice, and my loctician told me to try to just shampoo it 1 time. So that was another thing that helped me, was having my hair tucked up under the wig. I didn't have to mess with it or anything like that. So I think I can really say I think it helped a lot. And also the braid and banding technique, because she told me, my loctician, if y'all remember from my last update, that I needed to braid it more to the ends. And so that 2-strand twist method got it all the way to the ends. She said they look good. So thank you guys so much. So I'm doing good. I did not do a recount of my locks. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. At this point, it don't even matter. I got about 300 locks. I have 295. That's what I counted. I know she had to put some in, so I may have went up 1 or 2, but is it a priority to recount them? No, not really. I know I got the gist of how many are up there. I don't know if I'll ever recount them. Maybe, I don't know, but right now, no. So the number still is 295 until I actually officially recount them, but that is what it was the first time I counted them. Did not do any of that. Okay, and the next thing I want to share with you guys is I think we getting some length, y'all. Like, it probably don't help, I ain't gonna lie, that I got this kind of dark background, but y'all can see. Y'all, let me move to the side because I'm gonna do some side-by-side action. I'm gonna insert a picture over here so y'all can see where your girl's hair was when I first started. Mind you, this is only my 3rd Retight. So I'm about 3 months in of being on my Sisterlock journey, and I just feel like being able to see my hair from behind my ear now, like, what? Who is she? What? And I'm sorry, y'all, don't get on me in the comments. I ain't gonna be touching them. I'm just touching them for the video. I've been being real good, but I ain't gonna lie. After my Retight last night, and I just went last night, and I try to do my videos. Look at that. What is that? I think I'm suffering from dry scalp too, as my scalp keeps adjusting. But I try to do my update videos as close to Retight as possible. So I literally got these retighted last night at 6 p.m. Today is December 1st, so I went on November 30th. And you guys will probably see this video on December 2nd, which should be Wednesday. So if I'm going to do it, it's going to be up there on Wednesday for y'all, probably around 3 p.m. So anyway, yes. So I feel like your girl is really seeing some growth. I love them. I am falling more and more and more and more and more and more and more in love with my locks every Retight, every month. I mean, I knew I loved them when I seen them on people. Like I said, I looked at them for years before I actually got mine installed. I had a few mishaps that made me have to push my installation back some, having a baby, hair shedding out, all kind of crazy stuff. But now that they are here, y'all, it's almost surreal. I think they are absolutely beautiful. I love them so much. It is literally the best decision I've made for my hair. I have not done anything to my hair that excites me this much. Literally, and I'm a hairstylist, so that's saying a lot when I don't have any styles that make me feel this way. This one feels really good, and it's probably because it's all me, boo. Like, it's all me. It's not gonna get washed out. It's not going anywhere. Look at this length though, y'all. I just feel like it's growing. Even my loctician, she said she was saying, you like, yours is gonna be down to your shoulders kind of quick, and I'm like, don't tell me that. Because I'm really feeling my locks. Like, I'm in love with them. I love them so freaking much. This is slow down action because some of these gonna be pictures, okay? Anywho, So I think that is everything that I need to update, y'all. This was a good report. It was easy. I love shampooing my hair. I cannot wait for the year that I don't have to braid and band, but I know I'm in for that for a while. And I think that is everything, you guys. I don't have anything else to share with you guys, but if you guys have any questions at all, use that comment section. And if there's any more advice or anything that y'all think can help, because the stuff that y'all really dropped, those people that have commented from my last videos, y'all have helped me out so much. I know I keep saying it, but y'all really have. This is so new for your girl, and the more I'm living in them, of course, the more I go to my loctician and the more I hear from you guys who are also on this journey, I'm learning so much and I'm getting so much more comfortable with them. So thank you guys so much. And honestly, I don't need to make this long-winded at all, but yeah, use the comment section. If you have not subscribed to your girl's channel, stop playing with me and subscribe, okay? Because I really want you to be here. And low-key, no, high-key, I need you to be here, okay? If you enjoyed the video, if you on a journey, let's do this together. If you like trial hauls, if you like fitness, whatever, subscribe to your girl's channel because I need y'all, okay? I literally need y'all so that I can grow this channel. But I appreciate each and every one of you. Share this with your friends if y'all think it could be helpful. And yes, I hope to see y'all in the next video. But until then, you guys, stay blessed, stay motivated, and stay close to God. And I will talk to you all in the next video. Peace.